Want to give your Vivo X300 Ultra a fresh new look without installing any apps? In this video, I'll show you how to change the lock screen clock style on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. It only takes a minute, and you can choose from multiple clock designs to match your style. Let's get started. Open the app drawer and go to Settings. Tap on Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Wallpaper. Tap Lock Screen Settings. Tap on Edit in the top of Lock Screen poster. Tap the clock style. Here, you'll find several built-in clock styles that you can preview before applying. Now browse through the available clock styles. You can customize lock screen clock style, including clock fonts, clock colors, clock size, add quick information, modern and minimalist layouts, set custom clock style like iPhone, etc. Long press the clock to move the position. Once you've found the one you like, tap Apply or Done in the top right corner. Your new lock screen clock will appear immediately. Lock your Vivo X300 series phone and look the new amazing lock screen clock style. If you're looking to customize the always-on display clock instead of the lock screen clock, we've already made a dedicated tutorial. Be sure to check the link in the description or tap the I button to watch it. And that's how you can change the lock screen clock style on the Vivo X300 Ultra and other latest Vivo phones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.